Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh.
Is that you?
It is, thank you.
Okay.
How's that?
Yeah.
My life?
Are you serious?
I don't want to get hit like. Two other folks here. We'll figure it out. Thank you. We'll go. Some technical issues with it. Trying to get it all tuned in. Some design issues on it. I like the. But I've had it. Was going to cut us off one day, so if we'd gone to the next road, that road actually did.
Not like that.
The way they jump. Isn't it pretty? There we go. It's Everett, you're almost there. Can you see it? Well done, Marshall.
I'm so hungry.
Have you ever done the donut run?
No, I've heard about
Yeah,
it.
that's okay.
That's tough. I know a guy who does it.
Or I guess it's not really donuts, they're just good frosting.
Chafing one.
Oh, that's good.
Come on in!
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh.